This aluminum boat was built in 1974, and since then it's been painted several times. You got layer upon layer of paint and goop, and it has to be removed in order to ensure the good adhesion of the new paint products.
There's his handle on the right side. I had a guy comment on one of my other videos that I would live longer and be able to make more videos if I wore the proper protective equipment. Thank you, sir, but I got everything I need. Josh got me my very own fat guy pillow. Yeah. Oh, two fat guys in the bow, one aluminum boat. This boat ain't long for this world. How you doing, buddy? Good. You have fun out there? It's splattering everywhere. Splatter. Look at this. Shards of wire brush stabbed into my chest. I just pulled one out and said, oh crap. You don't want that flying at your face, taking your eyeball out.
This is what I'm reducing.
Oh no! That's not good at all. That's not what you want to see with your wire brush. Look at that, it's just a slug of goo. Don't touch it. Oh, what is that? Horrible. Oh, what is that? Cold roofing tar or something. Look at the toolbox, hurry up, what's taking you so long? Yeah. Now stand there and wait till we need something else. You know, we've been using this vacuum for a while now, and let me tell you, it really sucks. Not even my pals laughing at that one. Just not funny anymore. We're no longer doing any comedy. Here the fellas are trying a product that we aren't familiar with. It's called Citrus Strip. It seems to be the least harmful stripper type, and we decided to give it a try. It requires time to work, so in between coats the boys are fixing that 25 horsepower Mercury that failed us on our last Grand Isle trip. It is going up for sale. It is going away. It has got to go. It's got to go.
Moment of truth.
Loosey-goosey. Well, loose connections don't help.
Those need to be tight.
Yeah. Hot? Yeah, that's why.
You shouldn't be able to spin them like this.
There we go.
Just let it idle.
Look at that.
Alright, I just wanted to point out that I'm only stripping a little bit today. I'm not sure if stripping is something that you just jump into, like full-throated, kind of ease your way into it and make sure it's the right call for you, you know? That being said, I'm just doing this area right here. This is the area where the welding's gonna happen when we weld the ribs up and build the deck structure, which is my priority at the moment. Down the road, once that's completed, then we can go back to stripping. I'm doing a couple test areas. This stuff's turning yellow, so I guess that means it's working. This is a different paint that's under the current paint job. I just want to see if it would be able to do anything to it. And give it a couple hours at least. And in the meantime, what do you do when all there is to do is wait? You go fish.
How big is that fish, Josh? Oh, yes. Yes, Josh. Very good. Very good.
All right, it's a moment of truth. If nothing else, it's definitely taking the first layer. It's kind of patinaed now. And here, it wasn't quite as successful. It did get some off this far side, or on either side really. It was able to get some of the paint off, but that's some tough paint. So
time to go home.
Yep.